Here behind me is this beautiful 1977 Ford 4X2, and of course when offered to me I just couldn't say no. So here is the 1977 that I told you guys I was going to film a long time ago, and here is my cat, and this is on eGarage. Here we have a truck that is mostly original. Got some nice lights that were added on. Used to be a bulldog ornament here. Got to track down the original hood ornament. And it's pretty clean up under here. No rust that I've found. So just had to replace a fuel pump to get it going again. Brake fluid was a little dry. Now it's full. So that was pretty much the revive and drive. Bunch of I don't want to run, spitting, stalling, you know, come back tomorrow, try again. Did that for 4 days. Finally, after I tracked the fuel pump down, got it running. So, out of respect for the family, I chose not to film the revive and drive. So, this one was kind of personal to me anyway. See the factory trailer brake. Yeah, just there weren't so many hands involved and people trying to get things situated. I could have done the revive and drive filming on site, but unfortunately there just wasn't a way. So I just decided to do this and show you guys really how clean this truck is. Tires, of course, dry rotted. Wheels, all the hubcaps, really neat. Not a single bit of rust on this fender. The only broken lens on the truck is in the back. All the chrome's here. Really, really nice. A little rust on the door there. Can't get into the toolbox. Gotta either find the key or have a friend of mine pick it. Factory toolbox. I mean, just even has CB inch in it. Whole bunch of parts. Fuel pump I changed out. Everything I'll ever need is in this truck. Extra relays, extra, this and that. Fuel filters. I mean, a boot that probably doesn't even go to this truck. Plug wires, brand new oil filter. I mean, a whole box of fuses. There's probably another 500 of them in this truck somewhere. Just amazing. I can't believe it. And there's the broken lens I was telling you about. Those are from the factory. Not a crack in the windshield. I mean, as Derek Perry would say, I'll be dead. There's just no other way to express it. Look at these beautiful cowlights. They actually work. When I do a video tonight, I'll show them to you. What else do we want to look at? I mean, just look at this chrome. Even snow chains, never been used. I don't think these tires have ever even been driven on. No busting taillight lenses. That I was trying to clear up a little scratch. Trying this new product out that I bought. Don't really like it so far. Leaves everything real tacky. I even did that on one of my newer cars. I just, I don't think it repels. I think it streaks instead. So, it's called Torx. Don't really like it. Wouldn't recommend it. Anyways, look how clean the inside of this bed is. And there's a hole here they put for a fifth wheel. Let's see if I can. Oh, so I did some holes. We got a little rust going on here. Got those on watch. Those panels are 35 bucks, I believe. Anyhow, kind of forcing this along because I got to go to work soon. Yeah, I've got these on watch. Cap corners are like 27 bucks for these, real cheap. Thought I was going to be able to save on the door. Nope. Definitely not. Might fill out with some expanding foam for now. I don't know. That's probably from a ceiling leak, or a roof leak rather. More rust. So the door is pretty bad. Yikes. Kind of wanted to leave the original doors on, but without a lot of welding, that's not going to be an option. Door panels need to be replaced. Broke the door handle. First day I got it because this window is actually seized up. Something in there is seized up. Could be a rock in there somewhere. Who knows? Pretty much though. I mean, yeah, she is all there. Not a single bit of rust on this fender. No broken lenses around here, except for that one on the very back right. I mean, just look at that beast. Original radiator. I mean, what is going on around here? I can't fathom this. It's so amazing. A little shot at the frame and the exhaust manifold. It's in really good shape. Doesn't leak. This was the cap corner I was going to show you guys. You could almost save that if you really wanted to. Just kind of fill that with whatever choice of material you want. I've seen way worse. Frame's pretty clean. I noticed that whenever I crawled up underneath it. Not really going to do that today. Ground's still moist from the last rain. Took about a month for a guy to get a video together. Weather just wasn't cooperating. Anyhow, let's look at the goodies. 1176. I thought I saw something about a CJ7 rear end. That must have been somewhere else. Anyhow, welcome to my office. Let's see here. We got some brake pads. I mean, those were probably the original pads, Bendix. I don't think they're even around anymore. This was probably from the 80s. Pipeline magazine. My old friend was a pipeline guy. Hauled pipes and hauled wood. Several logging rigs, and so I'm not sure if he did any of that with this truck or not, but I do know that he owned this truck 45 years. So retired in 91. Got the old Gorey built. OJ Pipeline's right there. So yeah, came with the nice American Wildlife box. Hard Bros Welding. I believe they're still in business. Looked them up. Didn't say they're permanently closed or not. Old girl was driven until 2014. So that's neat. And there's my wing nut from my air breather. I'm going to have to borrow the air breather from another vehicle. There is the replacement door cranks, speakers, the Breaker 19. That works. Bulbs, 50 billion fuses, dimmer switch. I mean, it's got it all. I'll probably never have to buy parts. That's the craziest thing. Like, I made my money back in parts probably. Hopefully I didn't interrupt Grace under fire or anything like that. To hear her run real quick. She starts up pretty good. I barely fit in this truck, as you can tell. So, yeah, we'll just stick that key in there. I kind of like, well, you know, doing the key thing. So, alright, let's go. 1, 2, 3. That'll do it. We're in neutral. Ooh, almost. She usually fires right up. That's a cold start. Been about 2-3 days now. She may be running out of gas, or the choke's a little messed up again. There we go. Let's get a little juice in her. Yeah. She sounds pretty good. Got the factory exhaust on her still, as most of you guys, gals and pals, is all you'd be referring to most everybody as. I don't know if Derek will allow me to show you fellers and fellas. It'd be kind of neat if I could, though. He's kind of my inspiration. I think I have a personality that's kind of about like his. I think we get along real well. I told my mom this one time, I think we got to be related somehow. Listen to that. No smoke, no nothing. Alright. Real smooth running engine. And she goes forward and backwards. Yeah. Nice and easy in reverse. Oh yeah. Let's not hit the boot truck. Okay. Well, that's going to do it for part 1. Thanks everyone for watching, and as usual, please like, share, and subscribe if you like the video. There will be more on this truck. Anything you'd like to see in particular, please let me know in the comments down below. And I think I'm going to paint this truck B5 Autumn Brown. I don't have a name for the truck yet, but maybe you can pick one out for me. Is that a Big John because it's got the 10-ply tires? I don't really know. So let me know down there. Thanks. Take care and be safe.